Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I got two products from Dockcase, and this one is the Dockcase Pocket M2, and this is a smart SSD enclosure, and we have the glossy silver color. Yes, and the second one is the Dockcase 10-in-1 smart USB-C hub, and also we have the glossy silver color. And for both products, they get the display screen and transparent cover at the front side of the products. For this SSD enclosure, it supports the M key and BNM key SSD NVMe PCIe, and also the capacity is max band 2 TB supported. It supports interface type USB 3.2 gig generation 2, and it's get a 10 gigabytes transfer speed, and also type C. And also the material is aluminum alloy, and here we can use the buttons to transfer it from different model, and all this machine support hot plug, so you can really protect the data. And next I'm going to show you how to transfer the document, the file from my home to the smart SSD. And generally speaking, this small sized SSD product can really meet my need for mobile phone creators. And then when you plug it to the smartphone and connect to the device, we can easily find the SSD name. And this time they also provide a decent, good quality cable, Type C to Type C, for these products. So it's really convenient and useful. As for the 10-in-1 smart USB-C hub, it's also transparent, and it's a transparent design as well. And for the specification, you can get information from the pack label, and the weight is 45 grams, and the dimension is 43.5, 33.5, and 15 millimeters. And for the hub, it's a 16-bit color display, and device support real-time temperature, and also a detachable design, and also the 100-watt PD charging, USB 3.2 as well, and support 10 gigabytes transparent rate, and also the 4K 120 Hz refresh rate dot, and also the SD and TF card support to external 2 TB storage. And so these are the main features about these two devices from Dockcase, and I can show you how to use them. Okay, this is a interface, and you can long press to switch from different model, and one click, one press to convert enter the current mode and get different information from it. So both devices are very premium quality and premium design and good qualities. So if you are a phone creator, and also if you use the MacBook or Windows Book, transfer the file load, or you want to connect to the lot of device and get the hub, and it can really help you. And this SSD enclosure can really help you easily. And also for the SSD enclosure, I think better you bought two. One is for Windows and one is for MacBook. If you get all Apple device, one is okay, because if you can format it to the Apple format, it cannot transfer the file to the Windows device. so not so good for this part. And I've tested if I now it's really kind of I format it with Android and Windows, but it's so when I connect to the Apple product, it cannot detect it and it cannot transfer. So this is I think it should have improved. Okay, so that's basic introduction about device from Dockcase, SSD Enclosure, and multifunction USB hub. And next thing, enjoy my content and check how I use it. Okay.
潮江号称潮江小洱海，漂亮。